Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we from group 4 section 3 will present about the environmental issue of photovoltaic system to Mr. Ahmad Nisfu. So let me introduce my group members, which is we have myself, Muhammad Amiruddin bin HASROLNIZAM, Muhammad AQIL bin HAZLI, Muhammad AZLY Haris bin AZAHARI, Muhammad EDRY bin OMAR, and Muhammad FARHAN bin Muhammad YUSOF. So we have choose 5 environmental issue to present to Mr. Ahmad Nisfu, which is we have the first issue which is the land usage, the second one water usage, next hazardous material, next life cycle global warming emission, and the last one energy demand. So we have divide the presentation among ourselves and we present the part one by one.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Yusuf. My entry number is CE210182. Now I will explain about the land use, which is the environmental issues. Depending on their location, larger utility-scale solar facilities can raise concerns about land degradation and habitat loss. Total land area requirements vary depending on the technology, the topography of the site, and the intensity of the solar resource. Estimates for the utility-scale PV system range from 3.5 to 10 acres per megawatt, while estimate for CSP facilities between 4 and 16.5 acres per megawatt. Unlike wind facilities, there is less opportunity for solar projects to share land with agricultural uses. However, land impacts from utility-scale solar systems can be minimized by setting them at lower quality locations such as brownfields, abandoned mining land, or existing transportation and transmission corridors. Smaller scale solar PV arrays which can be built on homes or commercial buildings also have minimal land use impact.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AQIL. My metric number is CE2001-43. Today I'm going to talk about the photovoltaic system environmental issues for water usage. So for water usage, as we all know, that solar PV self-generate power water without the usage of water. Water is used in the fabrication of solar PV component as it is in all industrial process. Water is used to cool concentrated solar thermal plant, or the short term is CSP, as it is for the other thermal electric plants. The amount of water used is determined when a recirculating CSP facility with cooling tower use 600 to 650 gallons of water every megawatt per hour of power generated. Water withdrawal is higher in CSP facility with once through cooling, but total water usage is lower because water is not lost as steam. CSP plants can save up to 90% of their water using dry cooling technology. Higher prices and lesser efficiency are, however, the cost and efficiency associated with this water savings. Furthermore, when temperature exceeds 100 degrees Fahrenheit, dry cooling technology is substantially less effective by the plant design, location, and cooling system. That is all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will present about the hazardous material. As we know, several hazardous components or compounds are employed in the PV cell production process, used to clean and purify the semiconductor surface. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrogen fluoride, and many more chemicals utilized in the semiconductor business. As a result, PV manufacturers must abide by US legislation to guarantee that workers are not damaged by chemical exposure and that the manufacturing waste is properly disposed. This material could pose major environmental and public health risks if they are not handled and disposed of correctly. Manufacturers, on the other hand, have a significant financial incentive to recycle rather than discard these highly expensive and often uncommon materials.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad EDRY bin Omar, metric number DE200043. So for today, I'll be explaining about the life cycle global warming emission. So while there are no greenhouse gas emissions related with solar energy generation, there are emissions associated with other stages of the solar life cycle, such as production, materials transportation, installation, maintenance, and decommissioning and dismantling. Most estimates of solar system life cycle emissions range from 0.07 to 0.18 pounds of carbon dioxide equivalent per kilowatt hour. Concentrated solar power is estimated to emit 0.08 to 0.2 pounds of carbon dioxide equivalent per kilowatt hour. This is significantly smaller than the life cycle emission rate for natural gas, which is 0.6 to 2 pounds CO2e per kilowatt hour, and coal, which is 1.4 to 3.6 pounds of CO2e per kilowatt hour in both scenarios.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AZLY Haris bin Azahari. My nomenclature is DE200067. Now I proceed on explaining about the energy demand, which is one of the environmental issues. So first of all, the solar requires a significant amount of energy upfront to produce. Mining, manufacturing, and transportation all require substantial amount of energy. Quartz must be processed and cleaned, and then manufactured with other components which may come from different facilities, such as aluminium and copper, to produce a single solar module. Heating the quartz during the process stage requires a very high heat. Manufacturing requires combining multiple materials with incredible precision to produce high efficiency panel. So we can conclude that all of this requires a lot of upfront energy. That's all from me. Thank you.